Sewing tools. This is a sewing machine. These are scissors. This is a marker. This is a measuring tape. This is a pincushion. This is a thimble. This is a seam ripper. This is a mannequin. This is a button. This is a thread. This is a safety pin. These are bobbins. This is a bobbin case. This is a fabric. This is a needle. This is a curved scale. This is a crochet hook. This is a zipper. These are tweezers. This is a fabric lace. This is elastic. This is a satin ribbon. These are color pens. Thanks for watching.